What's up guys? Welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. So first open up your Gmail account as you can see here and sign in your account. Now go to the left side of your screen and then right from here you need to click on more and then click on spam. So sometimes all of your expected emails are going through this spam folder and it will not showing up on your inbox. So just check here if you will find your expected email. Now the second method here is to check your storage. So if you scroll down to the bottom, then you'll find your storage. Now if you find that it is running out of storage, you need to free up some space. So to do that, you can actually delete some unnecessary emails here. So just check the boxes and then click on the trash icon. You can also do that on Google Drive. So if you go to the drive, and here on Drive, you can just choose the videos or some files that are necessary so you can free up some space on your storage. Now let's go to the third method. So click on Settings and then click on See All Settings. And we just wait for a few seconds here. And as you can see, this settings. So you need to go to Filters and Black Addresses. So if you find some filters, you need to delete all of those filters here, and then you can also go here on forwarding and POP IMAP. And here on forwarding, you need to make sure that you disable this forwarding address. So that's how you basically fix Gmail not receiving emails. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.